Hello and welcome to my video. This is the Motorized 360 degrees rotating color LED light display stand. This is a motorized display turntable to show off or display products at a jewelry store. You can put this in your home if you collect like crystal glass, if you want to show off that. And in this piece rotating now is just a slice of rock that came from the caverns, and it is somewhat translucent, so you can kind of see through the rock. So anything that's kind of a crystal cut etched glass, or anything that's translucent, the LED lights will shine through the glass and show off your product. But also the rotating display stand itself is good if you wanted to put that in the window to just rotate any kind of item or product. So let me just remove this rock here. It's a slice of rock, which I got at the caverns in Virginia. Beautiful piece of rock. And then let's put a piece of a little art crystal glass item there and rotate it. I'm going to turn off the lights. You can see that rotating there. Now I'm going to take off the cut glass and put on a piece of an art. This is etched glass inside of this piece, so it's very artistic. This is the skyline of Seattle, which my friend gave me because he's been there many times to Seattle, and I've always wanted to go, and I love the skyline. I love tall buildings. So this is like a cubed cut glass with etching on the interior. I'm just kind of giving a downlit with this light to show you. So now I'm going to turn on the lights. And here I'm going to talk about the actual motorized display. So this display it's actually an inch tall. It's probably hard to see, but it is an inch and a half tall. And it is 3.5 inches across. There's a mirror on the turntable with the colored LEDs in the middle. You have some red, some green, some yellow, and blues, which kind of flicker and change. It operates with 3 AA batteries or the power adapter. So either you unplug the power adapter and put the batteries in there, and it can be more mobile. And you can turn off the display, or you can turn just the LEDs on, and then the turntable's not turning. And then we'll turn it back on to where it's rotating. I'm going to set this here. And you can also, say at a perfume counter, here's some Versace perfume. Let's turn off the lights. So if you had a perfume counter and you want to show off some Versace perfume rotating, that would look good on the counter. It would capture the attention of a buyer who would walk over and say, hey, I've got to have that. So it's a good way to market your product. And it's a wonderful thing to have at home if you're having company over and you want to show off your crystal glass or your etched glass or any product that you want to show off and uplight. So I'm going to turn the light back on here. Okay. What I want to do here, I want to pull back the camera right there. I want to add a larger product on the turntable. So let's take off the Versace, and then I'm going to put a sculpture on here and see what just the sculpture spinning. Now the light from the display is not really going to uplight the thing at all, but let me try a different kind of light. So again, this is the Motorized 360 degrees rotating color LED light display stand. Again, the turntable has a mirror on the top of the LED light, and in the middle, the turntable has the LEDs in the center. Let me turn on the light here and put a different product. So say you want to show off something like that. So it rotates around. Again, it can operate by 3 AA batteries or use an AC power adapter, which comes with it. And this stand probably costs about $20, $15 to $20 for the rotating stand. So I'm going to put this crystal back on here, and enjoy the mesmerizing rotating crystal cut glass. I do hope you enjoyed this video, and please give it a like if you like it and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching.